You won't believe what I used from Dollar Tree to create some beautiful Easter spring home decor. Dollar Tree is getting all their spring items in. I saw these watering cans. I thought they were so pretty. I love the shape, but I especially like this light blue one. So this DIY is gonna be a no skills required. Let me show you what I mean.
For this project, I was needing an image of a bunny. I came across this window cling. The image of the bunnies was perfect for what I needed, so I picked it up. So this is all I did. I added some Mod Podge to my watering can and I brushed it out with my paintbrush. And then I removed the bunny I was going to use from my window cling. And then I applied it onto my watering can. And then I aligned it by simply just moving it around until it was just right. And then I added some more Mod Podge over my image. And I made sure that I would brush out any bubbles. And then I took a paper towel and I just removed some of the excess glue. And now I'm just going to let the glue dry for a few hours. The glue is now dry and now I'm going to start adding all my florals. And these are all from Dollar Tree. And this is how simple you can create a no skills Easter vase with some pretty flowers.
Next time you're at Dollar Tree, pick up a flower pot, flowers of your choice, and also a $3 flocked bunny. I'm going to show you what a beautiful arrangement you can create with these items.
I'm going to start by painting this flower pot. I do like the terracotta color, but I want it a little bit more spring-like looking, so I'm going to use some bright yellow acrylic paint and also some white. What I'm going to do is mix those two colors together because I want to get like a softer yellow color. And you can achieve this with any color. Anytime you want to either darken or lighten a color, just mix either a darker color or white. So now I'm ready to start painting my flower pot. I'm just going to give it one coat of paint. I do want some of the terracotta to kind of peek through. And now I'm just going to let the paint dry. The paint has now dried. And now what I'm going to do next is add this round piece of foam. I'm just going to press it down into my pot, just like this. And now I'm going to add some moss over the top of the foam. I don't need that much, I just need to cover the white foam. I'm going to use this plastic stick and put it in the bunny. That way I can anchor the bunny into the flower pot and it won't topple over. And I'm just going to fill my pot with this carrot and the rest of the florals. I love how this arrangement turned out. Let me know what you think. And it was so easy to create. Now for this project, I'm going to use a wooden shape egg and a $1.25 frame from Dollar Tree. This is actually a framed chalkboard. Can you believe that? I'm going to take you in really close because I want you to see the detail around it is gorgeous. I actually bought several of these. I have some ideas for them. So I started by painting my wooden egg with the bright yellow. I wasn't happy with it, so I went ahead and I added some white so that I could just soften the yellow some, just like I did with the other project. And now that I was happy with this color that I mixed up, I was ready to repaint my egg. And now I'm going to let the paint dry and then I'll come back to my project. The paint is now dry and now I'm going to apply another bunny to my egg. I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to apply some Mod Podge to the front of my egg. I'm just going to brush it on and then I'm going to apply the image onto my egg and then smooth out any bubbles and brush on some more additional Mod Podge over the image. I'm going to let the glue dry and then come back to it. The glue has dried and now I'm ready to apply my egg to the center of my picture frame. I'm going to attach it with this two-sided tape that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut a piece and then attach it to the back of my egg, remove the tab, and then place it in the center of my frame. And I'm just going to press it down to make sure that the glue adheres. And that is it, my friends. Now I have this beautiful framed egg. Well, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also share. You have yourself a blessed day. And until my next one, bye-bye and God bless.